you can see that there is one experimental setup in front of you. You can see that we are given with 3 beakers, A, B and C. Okay, now you can see that in the first beaker you are given with water and salt. Second beaker is there with water and wheat flour, and in the third beaker you are given with water and milk. That means you have to stir them completely and properly. So after stirring you are going to get here salt solution. After stirring you will get somehow the wheat flour is going to mix up in this water, and here also milk is going to mix up in water. Right now, after this you are going to just see some questions, and we are going to have to answer. We are going to find out the answer to these questions. What we are going to observe after this, that we have to find out. Let us see what are the questions related to the experiment. You can see that the question are like this. The very first question is that, are these particles of mixtures visible to our eye? Can you see the particles after mixing up? Can you find the particles? Can you see the particles? Then second question is that, do the particles settle down after a few minutes? Do you find the settlement of particles after a few minutes? And the third question is that, when you pass a beam of light through these beakers, do you find any do you find any path of light, or what do you observe about the light? That you have to give the answer in the third question. And the fourth question is there in front of us, that do you find any residue after filtering it out? So these are the questions which are related to this experiment. What we are given with, once more I am speaking in Hindi, that हमारे पास 3 बीकर है. पहले बीकर में हमें वाटर और सॉल्ट दिया गया है, नमक और पानी का घोल बना के लेना है. दूसरे बीकर में हमारे पास आटा और पानी है, और तीसरे बीकर में पानी और दूध है. हमें इन तीनों को स्टर करना है, मतलब अच्छे से घोल देना है, और उसके बाद हमें इन प्रश्नों के जवाब खोजने हैं. क्या है हमारे प्रश्नों के प्रश्न कि पहला जो बीकर है, क्या उसमें हमें पार्टिकल्स दिखाई दे रहा है? इन तीनों बीकर्स में इनफैक्ट क्या हमें घोलने के बाद, या मिक्सचर हमारा जब पूरी तरह से डिजॉल्व हो जा रहा है, तो उसके बाद क्या हमें पार्टिकल्स दिख रहे हैं? दूसरा क्वेश्चन है कि डू द पार्टिकल्स सेटल डाउन आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स? क्या पार्टिकल्स नीचे बैठ जा रहे हैं कुछ समय के बाद, कुछ मिनट्स के बाद? फिर और तीसरा क्वेश्चन है कि क्या हम लाइट को देख पा रहे हैं इनके थ्रू? क्या हमें लाइट नज़र आ पाता है इनके थ्रू अगर पास कराया जाए तो? और चौथा क्वेश्चन है कि डू यू फाइंड एनी रेसिड्यू? क्या बाद में जब हम इनको फिल्टर कर दें, अगर इन तीनों पानी को अलग अलग हम फिल्टर करते हैं, तो क्या हमें कुछ रेसिड्यू मिलता है नीचे? These are the questions which we have to find out. So hello everyone, welcome to Aakaar chemistry classes, class 9th CBSE. We are going through a series of sessions for the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure, and we are having session number 15 here. Okay, you can see this is session number 15. But before going through the topic which we are having today, let me tell you how we have come to this topic, what we have done previously. So I am going to tell you that till now what we have done. Actually, I have in the introductory part of the session or of the series, I have already told you that this whole chapter is divided into 4 parts. I have already given the description that this whole chapter is divided into 4 parts, and in first part, or you can say in the first section, that is section A, we have studied about classification of matter. So in 4 parts, the very first part was related to classification of matter or classification of substances, as we have come to know that all the substances are divided into 2 parts. In fact, all substances are not pure. There are some substances which are pure and some other mixtures, and pure substances are known as elements in the compounds. So you can say that elements in compounds are only the pure substances, and rest of the substances are mixtures. ठीक है? Then in the second part, as I have told you that 4 parts are there. So this was the first part, and we have finished this first part. We have already finished this first part in our 14 sessions. We have completed all the terms or all the things related to this classification of matter on the chemical composition, and we are moving towards section B. Now, what is there in section B? We are going to understand what are solutions, what are suspensions, and what are colloids. In this section, we'll try to understand in this, or you can say that further in the series, you will try to understand, or you will come to know about solutions, suspensions, and colloids, where you will find that solutions also is bifurcated into three parts: saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated solutions. And also we will come to know about the classification of colloids. Even we will come to know about Tyndall effect. So we are, even suspensions also will try to find out what are these suspensions. So these are the things which are there in section B, which we are going to start from today, or you can say that we have started with the experiment. Then we are having part C and part D also. In part C, we will be understanding the separation of the compounds of components of a mixture, in which there are many separation methods which we are going to study, like filtration, crystallization, centrifugation, chromatography, evaporation, distillation. Okay, so we will come to know about all these in our coming sessions. Okay, and in part D, we will come to know about physical and chemical reactions. So we are heading towards section B, that is solutions. And let us try to understand about the experiment, what is there in the experiment, which we have just now we have gone through, that we are given with 3 beakers and we have to find the answer to these questions. So we are going to try to find the answer to these questions right now. Okay, so let's get started with the first part, that is part A, or beaker A. Okay, so in case of beaker A, we'll talk about beaker A first. Okay, beaker A, what we are going to observe, let us write here. In beaker A, as we have told you, that it is salt solution. Okay, we are getting salt solution after mixing up the salt into the water, right? Now what is happening when you must have observed, or you can do it at home also. The experiment is very easy to do at home, and you can do it personally also, and you can find the results. So as per what I have seen, or what I have gone through, let me tell you that in case of beaker A, that is in case of salt solution, neither the particles of mixture are visible nor do they settle down. You will not be able to see the mixture or the particles of the salt after the solution is made. Okay, so particles are not visible. The very first point is that particles of salt are not visible. नहीं दिखाई देता ना, जब हम सॉल्ट को पानी में घोलते हैं तो वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी. हम जब एक बार पानी में नमक घुल जाता है तो हमें नमक नहीं दिखाई देता है ना. हम चीनी भी घोलते हैं तो नहीं दिखाई देता, until unless the sugar is extra when you are going to put into it. Okay, so we will not be able to see the particles of salt in the water. Okay, so it is not going to be visible, right? Then if we wait for few minutes, after waiting for few minutes, okay, it is not going to settle down also. If we keep the salt solution for some time, so and after that, if you visit to see that salt solution, you will see that it is not, the particles are still not still not seen by our eyes, and even they are not settling down also. So you'll write here that particles do not settle down, settle down after few minutes. Okay, so this is our second observation about the salt solution, that particles do not settle down after few minutes also. Okay, what is the third observation? That if we take this beaker and if we see through it, the visibility of, if we check the visibility of light through it, we'll see that path of light is not at all visible through this solution. Okay, well, we will write here that path of light is not visible. ठीक है, and when we are going to filter it out, when we are going to use this funnel and all to filter it out, you will see that no residue is left out on the paper. Okay, So no residue is left out on filter paper after filtration. There is one filter paper which on which we can try this out. Even if you are not having any filter paper, you can use your there are some tissue papers at home, it could be available to you. You can try it on that also. You will see that there will be no residue left after the filtration. Residue of those which are foreign particles, or you can say that the particles which are dirty, okay, dust could be there, but not the salt. Okay, सॉल्ट नहीं रेसिड्यू के रूप के फॉर्म में वहाँ पे बचेगा, बट हाँ उसके अगर डस्ट होंगे उसमें सॉल्ट में कहीं, तो वो आपको रेसिड्यू के रूप में मिल सकता है, लेकिन ऐसे सॉल्ट उसमें रेसिड्यू के फॉर्म में नहीं बचेगा. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इन बीकर ए. बीकर ए में हमें क्या क्या दिखाई दिया कि पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सॉल्ट आर नॉट विजिबल. जो पार्टिकल सॉल्ट्स के हैं वो विजिबल नहीं हैं. फिर पार्टिकल्स डू नॉट सेटल डाउन आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स. कुछ देर हमने जब वेट किया और उसके बाद फिर से उसे देखने की कोशिश की, तो हमें पता चला कि पार्टिकल्स जो सॉल्ट के थे वो अभी भी सेटल डाउन नहीं हुए थे, नीचे सेटल डाउन नहीं हुए. हमें बॉटम में कहीं भी पार्टिकल्स दिखे नहीं. देन थर्ड थिंग विच वी हैव गॉन थ्रू दिस ऑब्जर्वेशन वाज व्हाट, कि हमने जब उसको उठाकर, जब बीकर को उठाकर चेक करने की कोशिश की, तो उसमें हमें लाइट उसके दूसरी तरफ से नजर आती नहीं दिखाई दी, या उसके अंदर से लाइट पास नहीं हुई. और चौथी चीज हमने देखी, द फोर्थ पॉइंट विच वी हैव सीन वाज दैट नो रेसिड्यू वाज लेफ्ट आउट ऑन द फिल्टर पेपर आफ्टर फिल्टरेशन. कोई भी रेसिड्यू बचा हुआ नहीं था. Understood? So we are having 4 points with us, that particles of salt are not visible, particles do not settle down after few minutes, path of light was not visible, and no residue was left out on the filter paper after filtration. Right? Now let us try to understand what happened with beaker B. What was the condition for beaker B, that we are going to understand. Okay? So this is beaker B. And beaker B, what we were having? We are having वाटर. हमारे पास बीकर बी में क्या है? वाटर है और व्हीट फ्लावर है, मतलब आटा है ना, हिंदी में हम जिसे आटा कहते हैं वो है. ठीक है, गेहूं का आटा. हमने क्या किया? गेहूं के आटे को पानी में मिलाने की कोशिश की. ओके, एंड व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू ऑब्जर्व आफ्टर दिस, लेट अस ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट वी हैव डन. वी हैव टेकन व्हीट फ्लावर एंड वी हैव मिक्स्ड इट अप विथ वाटर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ऑब्जर्व व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन टू दिस व्हीट फ्लावर. Okay, so here you can see that we are able to see the particles. It means that particles of the wheat flour are visible to us. So we'll write here that particles of wheat flour are visible, right? So we are able to see the particles. Okay, in this case we are talking about the B part. You can see this is the beaker B. We are talking about beaker B. What is happening to the particles? That we are able to see the particles in this case. Okay, then second is what? Secondly, what we are able to do, what we are able to see, that when we have kept the beaker for some time, after few minutes also, when we have gone to see, what we have seen, that they tend to settle down. So particles show a tendency to settle down at the bottom. यहाँ हमें लगेगा कि ये particles जो हैं नीचे की तरफ में, जब इनको हमने mix किया, जब stir किया, तो it was all throughout the, you can see that वो पूरा का पूरा घुल गया. पर थोड़ी देर बाद हमने देखा it started sorry, this is not the color. Okay, it started to settle down at the bottom. Okay, after a few minutes, when we have seen what happened, that it started to settle down at bottom. नीचे की तरफ में वो particles आकर settle down होने लगे. So the particles had shown, the particles have the tendency, or particles, you can write particles tend to settle down. Okay, the particles tend to settle down after few minutes. ठीक है, ये पार्टिकल्स जो थे ये धीरे धीरे नीचे की ओर जाके सेटल होने लगे. नेक्स्ट what we were able to see the next, that the path of light was visible through the solution, through the mixture. ठीक है, so the path of light is visible through, चलो अब मैं इसको इसके ऊपर रख देती हूँ. ठीक है, through the mixture or through the solution. Okay, and the fourth part, the fourth answer was what, that after filtering it with the filter paper, when we have filtered this solution with the help of filter paper, a residue was left behind. Okay, so we'll write a residue is left behind on the filter paper after filtration. Okay, when we filtered it out, what happened? When we filtered it out, residue, some of the residue, what was that residue? Actually it was the wheat flour. जो आटा था वो धीरे धीरे सेटल डाउन हुआ, और जब हमने इसको छानने की कोशिश की, जब इसे फिल्टर करने की कोशिश की, तो वो रेसिड्यू के फॉर्म में हमें फिल्टर पेपर पे मिल गया. अंडरस्टूड. तो हमें इस केस में क्या मिला, दैट पार्टिकल्स ऑफ व्हीट फ्लावर आर विजिबल, हमें उसके पार्टिकल्स, जो आटे के पार्टिकल्स थे वो नजर आ रहे थे. और क्या मिला, द पार्टिकल्स टेंड टू सेटल डाउन आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स, द पार्टिकल्स वर सेटलिंग डाउन एट द बॉटम, दे स्टार्टेड सेटलिंग डाउन एट द बॉटम आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स. वो धीरे धीरे सेटलमेंट की ओर जाने लगे, धीरे धीरे नीचे बैठने लगे बॉटम पर. Okay, what else we have seen, कि path of light was visible through the mixture. Okay, we were able to see a path of light through this mixture, right? And in the fourth answer, or in the fourth point, what we have seen, that a residue was left on the filter paper. कुछ रेसिड्यू जो मिला हमें फिल्ट्रेशन करने पे, कुछ रेसिड्यू हमें मिल गया फिल्टर पेपर पे, और वो जो रेसिड्यू मिला वो क्या था, वो आटा था जो हमने उसमें डाला था. इट वाज व्हीट फ्लावर विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी put in the solution. Understood? Now we will go to beaker B. Okay, we will talk about beaker. Sorry, it's not beaker B, it's beaker C. We are going to discuss now about beaker C. We have already discussed about beaker A and beaker B. Now we'll see what is happening with beaker C. In beaker C, what we are having, we are given with water and milk. Right, and we have stirred it completely, and what we have seen, what is our observation, that we are going to note down. So in the very first case, the particles, about the particles. Okay, and now in this case, when you are going to see the particles, they are not at all visible to you. Okay, so here also you will write that the particles of the mixture, the particles of the mixture are not visible. Sorry, not visible. Okay, now what about the settlement of the particles? Are you able to see the particles to settle down at the after few minutes? If you keep the beaker for some time, when once this beaker is left for some time, do you find any particle at the bottom? Let us see. You will see that in this case, in this point, what you will write, that no particle. क्या आपने कभी देखा कि दूध को अगर हम थोड़ा पानी के साथ मिला के रख देते हैं तो क्या दूध उसमें नीचे सेटल डाउन होता है? नहीं होता है, नहीं होता है ना. तो that is what we are going to write here, that no particle is we'll write that there is no settlement of particles after few minutes. Okay, so after a few minutes you will not be able to see the particles at the bottom, right? Okay, now what about the light? Do you see the light through it? So the path of light is visible through the mixture. Okay, in this case the path of light visible through the mixture. Okay, and in the fourth case, what is that after filtration, okay, do you get any residue? Do you get any residue after you filter it out? So you'll write no residue is left out, है ना. जब हम दूध को छानते हैं उसकी क्रीम तो बचती है, बट ऐसा तो होता नहीं है कि दूध हमें पीछे मिल जाए और वाटर अलग मिल जाए. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, इजंट इट? सो नो रेसिड्यू इज लेफ्ट आउट. No residue is left out on the filter paper after filtration. Okay, so these are the three cases which we have gone through. What are the cases? We have already discussed a thing about it, that we have taken in the experiment. What we have seen, that we have taken 3 of the beakers. In all the 3 we were having the water with us. We are given with water. We have mixed salt into the first beaker, wheat flour into the second one, and milk into the third one. And after that we have observed the answers of these questions. We have tried to find the answers of these questions. क्या थे हमारे 4 questions की हमने पहले चेक किया कि क्या हमें particles visible हैं. In each of the beaker are the particles visible to us. We have seen that in first case it was not visible, and in the third case also it was not visible, but in the second case, in case of wheat and the water, particles were visible. Then what we have seen, that do the particles settle down after few minutes? क्या particles settle down हो जा रहे थे? क्या bottom में कुछ देर रखने के बाद particles हमें दिख रहे थे बैठते हुए? तो it was only seen in case of beaker B but not in case of A and C. ठीक है? What else we have seen, that what do you observe about the light? So what we have seen, that light was not at all visible through first case, but it was visible through these 2 cases. Okay, so we have seen all the 4 conditions. Okay, and now we'll try to find the result. So what we have concluded out of it, what actually is the conclusion that we are going to write. So here what conclusion has come out in case of beaker A? What we have seen, that that the mixture is homogeneous in case of beaker A. In the very first case, in this case, the mixture has become homogeneous in nature. Okay, there was uniform distribution of salt particles throughout the solution. There was uniform distribution of salt particle throughout the solution, and that is why we'll say that this mixture was homogeneous and is known as solution. This mixture is homogeneous and so it is called, and therefore it is called solution. Okay, so the very first case was of solution. This is known as a solution. In this case we have got the solution. Okay, we'll talk more about solution, but right now in this experiment what we have seen, that the very first case of beaker A was that this water solution was was homogeneous in nature, and we have seen that this water solution is known as, this mixture is known as solution. Okay, then the second case. Okay, we'll go to beaker. So in case of beaker B, where we have seen that particles of wheat flour are visible and it was settling down also at the bottom. So this type of mixture in which you don't find the uniformity of particles, where you don't find the homogeneous type of character, or you can say that there was no uniformity. Okay, the particles were not evenly distributed, and this type of solution was known as, or this type of mixture is known as suspension. We call such type of mixture as suspension. What do we say? Suspension. Okay, in which particles are suspended. Okay, particles इधर उधर उसमें तैरते रहते हैं. That is your suspension. Right, now let's see what is in case of beaker C. So in beaker C, where you have seen that the particles of mixture are not visible, but light can pass through it. Okay, and this type of mixture, and there was no settlement of particle also after few minutes. So in this case, we'll say that this type of mixtures are here. Your conclusion is what? That this type of mixtures are known as colloids. What do we say? Colloids. Okay, so what we have come to know about this about our experiment, this one. So in this case, this has become what? This is your solution. Okay, this is your suspension, right? And this is your colloid. Now we'll talk about these one by one in our coming series. Okay, in our coming sessions, we are going to discuss about solution, about suspension, and about colloids separately. Okay, so till then, take care, bye bye, and do subscribe the channel so that we can come with more videos like this, and we'll get some energy to do so. Thank you.